Every morning I roll out my mat, a ritual that has become more than just a physical practice. It's a commitment to myself, a promise to embrace the day with intention. I've discovered that yoga isn't just about flexibility or strength, it's a journey towards balance, both in body and mind. And let me tell you, there are 9 poses that have transformed my approach to weight loss, each one a stepping stone on this path. First, there's the mountain pose, Tadasana. It seems simple, standing tall with feet together, grounding myself in the present. But it's about more than posture. It's about setting my intention for the day. I feel the energy rising from the earth, reminding me that every journey begins with a single step, and today I choose to move forward. Next, I flow into downward-facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. It's a full-body stretch that awakens my muscles, igniting a fire within. As I press my heels down and lift my hips, I can feel the tension melting away. This pose teaches me to release what no longer serves me, both physically and emotionally, making space for new energy. Then comes the Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. I open my arms wide, embodying strength and determination. In this pose, I feel powerful, grounded, and ready to face any challenge. It's a reminder that weight loss isn't just about shedding pounds. It's about cultivating resilience and embracing my inner warrior. I transition into the triangle pose, Trikonasana, where I stretch my body to its limits. It's a dance of balance, strength, and flexibility. I reach for the sky while grounding myself in the earth, a beautiful reminder that I can reach for my goals while staying rooted in reality. Next is the plank pose, a true test of endurance. I hold my body in a straight line, engaging my core, feeling the burn. It's uncomfortable, yes, but it's in that discomfort that I find growth. I remind myself that every challenge is an opportunity to become stronger. Then I flow into the bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Lifting my hips towards the sky, I open my heart, inviting positivity and joy. This pose symbolizes the connection between body and spirit, reminding me that weight loss is not just physical. It's a holistic journey. I embrace the chair pose, Utkatasana, where I sit back as if in an invisible chair. My legs burn, but I breathe through it, understanding that perseverance is key. Each breath fuels my resolve, pushing me closer to my goals. Finally, I end with the corpse pose, Savasana, allowing my body to absorb the benefits of my practice. It's a moment of gratitude, a reminder that every effort counts, and every day is a new opportunity to embrace my journey towards health and wellness. These 9 poses are not just exercises. They are my daily affirmations, guiding me towards a healthier, happier me.